The road overlooking some rice fields. We both got a nasi goreng for only 50,000 rupiah total.
How was it, Jake?
Okay, now that we have some food in us, we decided to go to the Tegenungan rice terraces, which is only about a 30-minute drive away. When we arrived at Tegenungan, there were many coffee and tea shops surrounding the rice terraces. We decided to stop for a quick tasting before we did some exploring. They gave us 8 tasters along with the book that explained the benefits of each coffee and tea. There's even a swing overlooking the rice terraces that you could ride for 100,000 rupiah. After our coffee and tea, we spent some time wandering the Tegenungan rice terraces. This place is actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it was just come, take your photo and leave, but once you get to the entrance, there's a path that takes you all the way around the rice fields. We experienced beautiful scenic views of the traditional Balinese irrigation system everywhere we walked. I could see why this is one of the most iconic spots in Bali.